the requirement is like user should click on particular link or a button. Whenever he clicks a link or a button, a pop-up should come and show some details to the user. It can be personal details, it can be address of residence, it can be proof of address or anyone. It should come as a pop-up. That would help us, right? Slot booking, which he has done. We want to check over here. I'm creating a section, user interface section. So what is that section name? Slot name it is. Create and open. So here we need to add the properties. So what I do, I'll continue to full section editor so that I can drag and drop the properties which are available in book member get membership. So I'll choose the book. So what we do is we will you said, right, we want one button there. Where do you want to have button? You want button in the payment. So this is payment details.
Right.
Yeah. So here you want to add a button. So let's check the button.
Okay.
Yeah, but you cannot. It's a just a review. That's it. Smart show. That's it. Smart tip info. But if you want to change, you can use some other thing here. Okay. So if you there would be some requirement where you want to change this also. Local action means flow action. Okay. Actually, we created a section, right? We didn't create a flow action. So local action means flow action. We created a section, but we didn't create any flow action for this. So what we do? Let's create a flow action. So how to create a flow action? Right click on process, create flow action. So I'll also mention this as slot details. And here I'll mention the section. Save. Now let's go back to here. Action. Delete this. Local action. You got local action now? Slot details. Do you want to replace? No, I want a model dialog. Okay, model dialog means on the above I want it. On top of your screen only you want it. So let's go back to here. Again action, refresh. Got it? Actually this is what we want, right? Because we want to see your things, and also if you want to change anything you can even change the values. Submit it. Yeah, so this is how do you do. Local action means what you have to configure? Flow action. Smart info. Yeah, smart info means what you have to do it. You have to configure section. Yeah, and you also have something else. You also have something called as flow in a model dialog. Means entire flow rule will come. Means all entire process. Flow is process, right? So process will come. You select this, then can you see flow name? It will ask what flow you want. Okay, so that flow name will come up out here. Come over here. So if you have such type of requirement where flow should also run, then you can go with this. Okay, so model dialog standard, this is one. Or else if you want tooltip also to be added, on click tooltip. So smart tooltip. What do you mean by smart tooltip? Yeah, take a plain text and say it displays on click place slot details sub. I think we need to keep another event. Event is what by mouse over it should show, because if on click it should not show it. On click something should happen, and even then here it should show. That's all.